Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Zankeru from Jam Tours Africa Family. It's the third day in Zanzibar, and you know, breakfast at the hotel and dinner outside. So we're gonna try a new restaurant today. What's the name of this restaurant, sweetie?
God, I don't know. But when we are passing, you tell something Al-Nur or something of the sort.
What is it name, huh?
Al-Nur, if I'm not wrong.
What's in Inorvi?
Al-Nur.
Al-Noor.
Al-Nur.
You're doing your eyebrow.
Yes, I'm done.
Done in your dera.
Yeah.
We are now in the time for dera. Because you're in Tanzania, you couldn't get no clothes to buy in Tanzania but this. No booty shots, no whatever.
No spaghetti.
No. Yeah, family. So we finish up, as you can see, guys. We finish up the blood clotting them. We finish up the grapes and the China guinea, lychee guinea. A video is uploading. Internet in Tanzania is the worst. And the baobab is right there. And outside is right here. Outside there's not much sun today. You know what I mean? Outside is here. Cleaner is here too. Cleaner is coming. Cleaning is finishes at 3. So we're gonna leave. So you know what I mean? When we come back, the place will be spanking clean, family. So over there, family, is like a garden, and as you can see, there's chairs there to sit on. I think I need to go and experience it. I'll go and experience it, family. So that's what it looks like. You know what I mean? So let's go. Let's go. Yeah, family. So let's go. Continue watching the vlog. Don't change. Don't skip the ad. Just watch until the ad come back and the video come back with the fun and excitement. We're gonna try a new restaurant today. It's the third day in Zanzibar. Yeah, family. So we're just going out to eat. We're gonna try a new restaurant. I'm excited. I know you're feeling about it. Feel excited? How excited you feel? 20 out of 20. So she feel 20 out of 20 excited, family. 20 out of 20. Yeah, family. So as you can see, you can see, family, people going out. So go on the other side, we get a tuk-tuk. Come. We gonna see if we get a tuk-tuk. No boy can't tell me how me hood look. Every girl if you have a cookbook. Family, so we just actually waiting on a tuk-tuk. We're just waiting at the moment for a tuk-tuk. Let's go with us to this new restaurant so we can actually show you what it's like. Yeah, family, so if you see men, we're in Dera.
Not Dera.
It's not Dera for men. It's what for men? Kanzu. So it's called Kanzu, family. So you can see a man there in Kanzu. That man there is in Kanzu. Gone. Him gone. Head gone. Yeah, family, so a tuk-tuk is here. Yeah, family, so we actually entered a tuk-tuk.
Yeah.
This tuk-tuk is very small. Smaller than the others. Yeah. So it's a smaller one. That was a guy who watch password for the restaurant, alright?
I've told you.
Okay, so no. Alright. So we head into the restaurant. Eat. This is a new restaurant. My bottle to full coconut water on the street side when I'm coming. So we actually do that. So let's go. Who knows? Who knows? Those bananas. I'm pleased to be chilling in Zanzibar. You know we are bar. Sugar cane man. Kenyan, not C. Jelly man. Yeah. Carne. Soupy. Yeah, I see something there. Soupy doopy. Yeah, family, so the restaurant is right there. The restaurant is right there, so you're paying, right? They say it was named what? Alpha? Al Noon. Yeah guys, so we had the new restaurant. It's actually before you reach Luukman, from where we're coming from Hotel Vad. So yeah, I like not really far, but you know what I mean, it's a stretch. Al Noon family. So as you can see, it's Al Noon. Let's go. We're gonna try something new. I like it. Yeah, it's not really busy. Let them have some. What's this? What's that? Ice cream? Oh, tambran. Oh, tambran ice cream?
No, ice cream, regular ice cream.
What you say it is? Regular ice cream? I thought it was something that made with tambran. Oh yeah. This one is which one? It's the same thing. So we better go outside so you can get the fresh juice. I like all this stuff. This big chair. Yeah? Yeah, it's cool. And the food is right there. Hello. Let me have the menu, please. I can just look there, see and pick up one. Just look and pick up one. Yeah. Because I think it's better. Let's see what you have. Okay, I want the green peas. Yeah. So you want to try this fish? I think the fish is different. We just take one for both of us. Yeah. And this one is the thing. Seto. This is what? What's this?
Chaga.
It's like fish.
Yeah, either.
Okay. Alright, so we have one fish.
Huu ni mchuzi wa nini?
Oh, mchuzi wa kuku, chicken curry.
Mchuzi wa kuku.
Chicken curry.
Yeah, one fish, yeah. The greens. Everything that is there. Spinach, yeah, spinach, yeah, everything. Everything that is there. Yeah?
Utachukua na pilau.
Pilau. Na samaki.
Yeah?
Na samaki au pilau nyama. Ile
Pilau, ile pilau. Na samaki. Oh, iko na nyama?
Ile ukitaka na samaki unawekewa.
Nataka pilau na hiyo.
Sawa. Right.
Yeah, let me have this one. This banana, matoke, right? Yeah. Let me have it. Yeah.
Na mchuzi wa nini?
Oh, beef masala.
Beef masala, okay.
One matoke, fish.
Yeah, you guys have chapati?
Chapati.
Yeah, one chapati. You guys have the brown one?
Eti Adam. Adam, come again?
Kwa chapati ya brown. Chapati ni ya white.
Let me have the smoothie. The juice menu. Juice menu. Let me have that one. Alright, so we actually have the juice menu. Yeah, family. So this is the juice menu. Smoothie time. Mixed berry fruit.
Maybe we can sit on this table. Oh, you're
Eh?
here.
You want to move?
You're comfortable. You want the banana with the soup?
Yeah, with the soup, yeah.
Atakapia na mchuzi. Hamna shida.
I see you want to move up that way? Yeah, let's go. Because here says a lot of traffic.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, here is fine. Even that one there, the two.
This is a bit big because of this.
Let's see what the juice them have. Well, sweetie, them have the mixed berry, avocado. I'll take an avocado.
They don't put anything else, like they're not using something.
This is yes.
To me, it just looks like I want tea.
You want tea? Well, they can ask for tea. Where is tea? Zanzibar masala. Let me have avocado smoothie. Yeah, family. So we actually have placed our order and waiting. So what you like so far about this restaurant? Yeah, I like the breeze. Inside like this dining. One of it's the same. It's the same. Yeah.
And I like I think the money what you were saying.
Oh yeah. So guys, we're just waiting for the food.
And there's no huge traffic.
Yeah, no, you traffic. Yeah.
It smells of people because you know there was a bit crowded. Until you're sitting next to people like.
Yeah, family. So I'm sure you're gonna enjoy this food. Let's wait and see when it
I love their
comes.
fries. They look so clean.
You say you wanna take away something?
Should take away fries.
Yeah.
I take away fries.
Fries, for sure.
They look clean. I've seen some today.
Yeah, guys. So let's wait for the food. Yeah, family. So the food is here.
Beef masala, chicken masala, beef masala.
Ask him how much for the fish.
Fish budget 15,000 pounds.
Hey family, so the food is here, yeah, for chapati. You want another chapati?
I want to see what it looks like first.
Before you get that.
I don't want to do what I'm doing at the hotel. I get something and then I feel.
Yeah.
Lord, we pray you bless this food.
Jah, we thank you for this food. Bless it as we eat. Let's enjoy.
Did you want my food?
What is your bird?
I don't like how this Maybe I don't like Kenyan with God.
Yeah, food, but not prepared.
I was telling you, you see, you call it by you, Ugali and baobab.
Talking about
That's
food,
the
things.
matoke.
Talking about 2 and 3 things. Talking about 4 and 5 things.
So what are you doing? What are you doing?
And with all this juice and things that we have it. We have all this juice now. Come on.
Which
DX juice and
see, that's if you're in a Muslim country, you expect to find dates. I'm not sure. Alright, there's nothing.
but in general, I know that there's no food, but in general, Muslim is better than Muslims are disciplined people. You know.
Okay.
Very difficult. Another thing is that we can adapt from them culture. Enjoy. Enjoy the food. Like I with the chapati. Thank you. Let me have the chapati, please. Avocado smooth.
I think the other than here is much tastier. The other food.
This one. And look, man.
The first person we ate. Or maybe it's a type of fish.
Yeah. This one is nice too.
No, it's nice. I think it's the type of fish.
The first one I eat was like doctor fish. Those fish are very fleshy and nice.
She told me that fish was 5,000. The first one. Then the one we ate yesterday was 12,000. But this looks like fish.
Tastes nice with the spice on it. Yeah, pillow spice. Yeah, family, so actually the food finished and how you enjoy it.
I've enjoyed it.
So you rate it better than Luukman?
100%.
Yeah, family, so wife said this food is better than Luukman food. Yeah, I mean,
It's more tastier.
it's more tastier, so all I have now is my smoothie. Let me enjoy.
Very for my
The avocado smoothie. So nice. So you're enjoying some tea. Feel for say this is masala, right?
Yeah.
Tea tea masala.
Yes, like the one we are getting at the hotel. Now look at all those spices.
Wow.
Did you hear what I said?
Eh.
Not talking my child. He said that.
Yeah, family. So everything that we eat was how much? 28,000. 28,500. How much US is that, sweetie?
Around 20.
Yeah, about 21 USD.
21.
So tell me where in the world you can go and eat so much food for 21 US dollars.
You get up feeling like you want to be carried up.
So you prefer to live in Tanzania over Kenya?
Yeah, by phone.
Yeah, family, we have to make a vlog about that. A few reasons why we prefer would live in Tanzania over Kenya. A few reasons. This is just a few reasons after this small experience. I feel like you have to experience Dar es Salaam first, because that's where we would live before we'll actually, make a conclusion. Inclusion and conclusion, guys. So guys, we're gonna step out now. Stomach is full, all is well.
You're drinking water? Oh, it's actually 4.
Let me drink some magic.
Drink maji. Wakunywa maji.
Copa magic. Copa magic. So let's go.
Bring my bag.
He's a backpacker.
My backpack.
He's a travel vlogger.
Am I be a travel vlogger?
Travel vlogger. He's a travel vlogger. Here is where you wash your hands. Yeah? Yeah, family. So this is like the dining area, family. You dine.